Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through the Bank of America setup Autopay, that is how to set up Autopay or Bank of America. The first thing you need to do to set up Autopay is to log into your account. So visit Bank of America's website or open the mobile app. Then sign in using your online ID and your passcode. Next, you have to go to Bill Pay or Manage Payment option. You see it under Account or Services. Next, you have to select Schedule Automatic Payments. You see it for your credit card, loan or mortgage. Next, you have to select the account to pay from, whether checkings or savings account. Next, you have to pick the payment amount, the minimum, the full balance or custom, you decide. Then you have to set the payment date. For example, monthly due date is an example of a payment date. Once you've done all this, you have to review the details and agree to the terms. Then click Enroll or Confirm Autopay. It's as simple as that. It's confirmed and to activate. Here are some key things you need to note. You see, when it comes to debit and credit cards, Autopay may not work for all card types. So use bank accounts for reliability. Then we have what they call same-day payments. Some loans require 2 to 3 business days to process, not same-day payment. They also have changes and cancellation. If you want to change or cancel anything or adjust anything, check on that scheduled payments. There you can make your changes. And if you need help, you can call Bank of America at 1-800-432-1000. I repeat, 1-800-432-1000, or use the app's chat support. And you're done. Your payment will now process automatically. Hope you found this video helpful.